Hello everyone, my name is Amit Kumar Singh and welcome to my channel. If I told you this creator doesn't actually exist, would you believe me? Everything you just saw started with one photo and 3 AI tools. Today, I'll build this entire creator from scratch with you, and I'll show you the settings that most tutorials never explain. So let's start where every great avatar begins. The first thing I do is use ChatGPT to generate an image prompt. Don't chase the perfect prompt. Generate first, improve later.
Instead of using prompt, I let ChatGPT to create a detailed character description. This improves consistency and give Gemini much better instruction. So here are the prompt. Let's copy this prompt, and now I take that prompt and move into the Gemini. So here I'm pasting the prompt. You can put it here. Let's copy this image. This is my reference image. The goal here is not just creating a good image. The goal is creating a character that stays consistent across videos. Pay attention to the clothing and background and the lighting. Those details become important when we generate video later. So this is the image that Gemini generated using my prompt. So let's download it.
Don't aim for perfection, aim for consistency.
One of the most important feature inside Flow is ingredient. Think of ingredient as a reference asset. This helps Flow remember what your character should look like. If you're creating a recurring avatar, this feature is essential. Next is aspect ratios. For YouTube video, I recommend 16:9. For shorts, use 9:16. Choosing the correct format now save time later. Flow also give multiple generation model. Some prioritize quality, some prioritize speed, and some are better for testing idea quickly. For talking head video, I usually choose the highest quality option available because consistency matter more than speed. So here I choose Omni Flash. Now I return to the ChatGPT. This time I use it to generate a video prompt. I specifically ask for natural moment, minimum gesture, and realistic expression. The goal is to create a believable character, not an animated character. Once the prompt is ready, I upload the avatar and add the ingredient and generate the video. So here are the prompt. Let's copy the prompt. And move to Google Flow. So before starting, make sure you have enough Google Flow credits so you can generate the video. Now click on New Project. Then add your reference image by clicking Upload Media. So I just copy my generated image here by dragging, and it will copy. So this is my reference image which I will use to generate my video of talking head. So make sure you have a selected video option and ingredient, and 16:9 aspect ratio. OmniFlash model, or you can use any other, but I'm using OmniFlash, and video duration according to your script. So I'm choosing 6 seconds. Now using that image as a reference, I am pasting the prompt that given by the ChatGPT and I am writing the script. So this is very short script. I am choosing 4-second time and click enter. So for generating more videos, use the reference image and paste the prompt. Write your script and generate. This will generate the talking head video.
So this is the complete workflow I use. ChatGPT creates the prompts, Gemini creates the avatar, Flow creates the video, and finally your editor puts everything together. Once you've done this a few times, the process becomes surprisingly fast. Now you have a complete workflow to create your own AI creator. If this video saved you hours of trial and error, subscribe because I'll keep sharing real AI workflows.